it's Haley.
Hi, it's Daegan.
And we're going to show you our BB shooting. First up is Daegan. Please take the BB gun and aim perfectly. He is aiming for the 4 dots. Concentrate. And he made it on the top left corner. So next up is Haley.
Next is Haley. Oh.
Jamie, thanks for popping it too. Aim. And I'm aiming for the bottom right. And she shoots.
And she makes it.
I literally did make it.
Yay.
I made it right there. Right there, dudes. Right there. That was not only the prayer. So that's it. Wait, let me say bye. So that's the end.
Bye.